Hey guys, my name's Dora, and today we are painting sprigs. Sprigs are awesome because they look right no matter how you paint them, and as far as any kind of foliage goes, in my opinion, sprigs are the easiest to paint and they always look the best. Sprigs are defined as a small twig, shoot, branch, or spray of a plant with its leaves and flowers. To clarify this, for this video, I'll be painting a short stem with several small leaves or seeds. You'll notice that my sprigs are often painted in pairs, and you don't have to paint them this way. This is simply the way I chose to paint them for this tutorial. This sprig is really cute and simple. It's a great filler for any bouquet, border, background, etc. All the sprigs are very easy to paint, but this one's probably the easiest. You simply paint a line and then go back in and stipple the top. Remember to go back in and darken some of those dots to add interest as well. This sprig is by far my favorite, and since all you're doing is pulling your brush in a downward stroke, different brushes will give you a completely different look every time. By the way, this was painted with a Princeton Neptune round brush number 2. Here's an example of the previous sprig painted with the side angle of a bigger brush. This is a Princeton size 4. This sprig has tiny leaves. Again, you don't have to paint it like I do. This is just to show you an example. Speaking of examples, here is an example of a sprig with much more pronounced and defined leaves. Notice how different the look and feel of the sprig is. This is a new sprig that I painted. It has round or circular leaves. I felt like a sprig tutorial should at least cover all the basic shaped leaves, so I included it. Plus, I was kind of curious to see what it'd look like. Just so you know, it's not my favorite, but again, I really felt like I had to include it just to make the tutorial complete. By the way, paint small leaves only. Once you paint bigger leaves, it no longer looks like a casual sprig. It now looks more like a leaf, and not a very cute one at that. This is a pussy willow twig. Pussy willow branches have small white furry oval seeds called catkins. Here I am painting an herb, and this one is supposed to be dill. This sprig is Russian sage, but for a sprig of lavender, all you have to do is paint the seeds facing up and not down. For the last sprig, I wanted to demonstrate that you can turn a small, short sprig into a full-on branch, so to speak, that is full of tiny sprigs. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if this video helped or inspired you to paint, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative watercolor videos, ideas, and inspiration.